Hello, class 8 students. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well. So, as we have finished the syllabus for PT1 and we have already discussed the worksheet of chapter 3 and 4. So, here we are discussing few questions which is related to chapter 4 for your quick revision. Here many questions we have already discussed and here we are revising it in another pattern of the question. So first question is, what do you call an online account of an individual's idea, activities, opinion and advice? We all this type of activities, opinion, advice we can do in blogging. So this is web blog. So answer is web blog. Web blog is the answer. Fill in the blank. Short form of web blog is blog. That means blog we can say in short form web blog. Web blog. Now question number 3. Sequence the below given steps to create blog using Google Blogger. We have already studied the steps how to create blog using Google Blogger. So here first we'll do sign in, name your blog and choose template, start blogging and then finally publish and view blogging. So answer will be option C. Now question number 4, state whether the following statement is true or false. Reader cannot post responses and comment on blog. No, reader can post comment, give response and view comments in the blogging. So this is false. Famous people like Amitabh Bachchan can keep in touch with their fans by celebrity blogs. Yes, celebrity blog can be used to keep in touch with fans. Which of the following cannot be shared on blog? Hobby, information, video and pictures. All these information can be shared. So answer will be none of above. Now question number 6. Read the following statement. If you agree, click on yes or else no. Is it possible to make money by advertising on a blog? Yes, it is possible on blog to make advertisement. What is the purpose of blogging? You're sharing information, making money by offering consultancy, uploading videos and picture of favorite stars. So all these activity can be done on blog. So all the above will be the answer. Here activity based question you can do. This type of question we have already done, means how we can publish the blog. Write down a blog of 100 words about your favorite teacher, publish it and share it with your friends. You can do it. Write down 3 purposes of blogging. I have already given these questions during video lecture. Which of these is not a blogging website? So WordPress, Google Blogger, Yahoo, Tumblr. Tumblr. So here Yahoo is an email website and others are blogging websites. So answer is C. Read the following statement. If you agree, tick on yes or else no. Is it possible to insert a hyperlink within the content of blog? Yes, it is possible. If you want to give reference of any website for information, you can give hyperlink. So here dash and dash are the example of blogging website. Here WordPress, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Yahoo, Facebook. So here uh, LinkedIn and Facebook are social networking sites. Email is email website. So WordPress and Tumblr are the example of blogging websites. Now here write down any 5 features of blogging website. So I have already given you through video lecture. I hope all of you have done. All the questions which I have given you related to that lecture video only. So it was easy to give the answers. A blogging website allow a guest user to edit the blog of the blog owner. No, it is not possible. User can only view comments, respond, and mm, give the comment. So cannot edit. So it is false. Now read the following statement. If you agree, tick on yes or else no. Prakash does not have email account. Can he create his blog using Google Blogger without creating an account? No. For Google Blogger, you need to have an account, Google account. So Ethan is not familiar with HTML syntax. Can she create a blog? Yes. She can create blog because if you know about how to write content, then you can create blog because by default by the website it is converted into HTML. 16. HTML is a markup language. Many times we have a study. Neha wants to create a web page for her school. Which language should she use? You know, for web page we are using HTML. So answer is HTML. Dash is used to create web page. HTML is used to create web pages. Now HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So here HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Dash or dash on HTML page helps in formatting or editing the text. So hyperlink, you know, it is a link for navigating from one page to another. Compound is no term in HTML which is used. So elements, this is elements and this is tags. These two are used on HTML pages. Now the opening and closing tag in HTML is, you know, already many times we have done. This is opening tag and this is closing tag. Now 22 question, how are command text distinguished from a normal text? By making the command text as bold, by using different font size for normal text. It is by giving a special marking to command text. So by giving a special marking to command text, which is called tags. Command text are also called tags. So here 24 dash is a system of distinguishing command text from a normal text, which is called markup language. Akbar wants to see the HTML code of his school website. So help him in doing the same. You can, this is the activity based question. So you can do, we have already done this type of activity through video lecture. Now create a blog. How to create a blog? Now do the following changes using the HTML code. You can do here heading tags are used, font size, so title, body. So we have already studied. You can do this activity at your home also. Now 26. Here also you have to write the HTML code. In video lecture we have studied how to write the HTML code for here using ordered list and unordered list. So question number 27. Is it possible to create a simple website without coding in HTML? Yes, it is possible using Google Sites. You can use Google Sites to create website. So it is possible without coding. The Google site will automatically convert your content into HTML. Tools like Google Sites and Wix the address of Google sites and Wix are given here are used for creating website. So these two are used for creating a website. Now question number 29. So here these two website are used for creating website without without coding in HTML. Pick the odd one out. Here Drupal, Joomla, Wix, Tenure. So all these three, Drupal, Joomla, and Tenure, is the website manage. These are the website which is used for website management. Means these are providing service to managing of website, while Wix is used for creating website uh, without using HTML. So answer is Wix. Now question number 30. Here list down the various basic and premium services available in the tools used for designing website. I have already given you this question through the video lecture. So here you can see various basic services, that means free services, are creating HTML web pages, search, templates, storage space, and hosting. But in premium services, you will get customized templates, specific domain names of your website, website support, and management you can get from the premium services. Now question number 31. Tejas wants to create a website to share his learning to his friends about the computer Masti program. Which two things Tejas should take care to ensure ease of use of his website? Should take care, look and feel. Means website will look good, and when and whoever will surfing website will feel good. So look and feel. Now 32. Why are the different text of different sizes in website? All these are guidelines, means how what are the guidelines which we have to follow using website creator, that is Google Sites. So you can study it from there. So it looks good, it is a design flaw to communicate importance of topic. So here this option is the correct answer. To communicate importance of the topics, we are using different sizes. For heading it will be bigger, for explaining the terms it will be smaller than the title, like this. So question number 33. Which of the following statement is true? Use less 3-4 colors to avoid visual clutter. Use more than 3-4 colors to avoid visual clutter. If you will use more than 3-4 colors, that means it will have a visual clutter. Use less 3-4 colors to have a visual clutter. Visual clutter cannot be avoided. Yes, so answer is 1. You have to use less, that means 3 or 4 colors to, for creating website to avoid visual clutter, so that it will look good. So here 33, question number 33. 34. Jyoti had designed a website for her school. She wants to allow a user to navigate between pages easily. For example, user can go directly to home page from anywhere on the website. Which feature can not be used by Jyoti for the said purpose. So here uh, which feature cannot be used by Jyoti for said purpose. So you should create bottom also, hyperlink to go from one page to another page, sitemap also. So here super link, which is not related to the answer, so answer will be third. Super link is not used in the term HTML. So answer is uh, third one, which is super link. So create a website of your family tree. Here it is given, create a website of your family tree. So grandparents, parents, you and your siblings using ordered unordered list. So in this way you can create a tree. So this is an activity based question, you can do yourself at your home. Write down the correct order for designing a website using Google Website Creator. We have already know. So here first log in with your Google account and name your site. After that choose a theme and then click create. After that publish website with default content which can be edited. After that edit your content using the edit icon. Finally your website will be created. So these two are activity based questions. So go to www.makemytrip.com, search the cheapest flight rates available, so you can do. This is the activity based question 37 and 38. Which of the following is not a front end technology? We have already studied in the front end concept. So here for this question, first one is HTML, Java, PHP and Visual Basic. So here HTML, Java and Visual Basic is used for front end technology, that means through which user interact. So answer will be PHP. PHP is used for backend. Which of the following is not a backend terminology? So here Flash, MySQL, Oracle, ASP.NET. So Flash is used for the front end and MySQL, Oracle and ASP.NET is used for the front end. That means using this language we can use the backend. That means we can create a server. That is, these are also called server side scripting language, and Flash is a client side scripting language which is front end. So answer is Flash. So today we are we are discussing till uh, question number 40. So in next class we'll discuss further, and if need we discuss also the chapter 3. Thank you very much.